doing today? So today we have come to V-Gears to install this Prospec windshield extender. This is a wonderful invention from Prospec which will reduce the wind blast on rider's face. The clip-on model is a simple add-on to existing Himalayan windscreen. This is priced around 2,450. We are trying to unbox and install it on BS6 2021 Himalayan. These are the 6 parts which comes inside the box. A good durable lightweight plastic windscreen and few clips from Prospec. At first you got to attach these 2 clips on each side. So you get a Prospec clear plastic airflow windscreen and then these 2 clips, 2 pairs of clips. Kindly ensure that you clean the Himalayan windscreen for any dust and dirt before installing this windscreen, because that would affect the clamp holding ability. At first you got to loosen up the clamp slightly and then clip it on to Himalayan windscreen. That's it, the job is done. It's a simple clip-on airflow windscreen. And then you got to tighten up the Allen key for good grip. That's it, the job is done. Hope this video was informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful day. Please like, subscribe and share if you like this video.